Hey everybody, this is Beer Stud doing another tool review. This is SK Tools 4147-6. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day on this April 2nd, day after April Fools of 2017. I'm just giving you guys just a general look. What a nice quality tool set. I believe at a good reasonable price. You're looking about between $280 to $345, depending on where you can go. You can Google the number, just put SK Tools in front of it, and you'll see the price. Amazon's got some nice reviews on it. I love this chrome. It's beautiful chrome. As SAK says, it's a jewel-like finish. This is a 47 piece. This will be a 6-point. I got deeps. These are standard from 1/2 inch all the way to 15/16. My shallows go from a 1/2 inch all the way to 1 1/8. It has a 5-inch extension, a 2-inch extension. A nice quality ratchet. Beautiful ratchet. Beautiful ratchet. Ooh. Easy killer. It's not a fine tooth, as you can hear, but it is a quality. I mean, whoop, upside down. We'll put it right back up. There we go. A nice set. Nice set. Oh. Here's my metrics. They go from 10 millimeter all the way to 19 millimeter. The shallows metric go from 10 millimeter all the way to 24. Nice set. Nice set. You can't get a set like this from Snap-on, Cornwell, Mac, or even Matco. I mean, yeah, you can get sockets, but you can't get one with, a little range of a little bit of everything, especially with a ratchet with it. I don't get it. Armstrong makes them, or used to make them. I think you can get some new old stock that's about as equivalent as this. But as you know, Armstrong used to be the makers of Craftsman tools, but at one very long time ago. But other than that, you're not going to find a set like this. Granted, this is a rookie set. I've had it for about 2 months now. I enjoy this set. Even compare it to hey look, a Snap-on. I mean, yeah. Again, it works. I don't have any issues using my Snap-on They stay pretty secure. Don't fall off. Other than that, it's a good set. Only thing I say is, as I continue to always say, this is your choice of what tools that are out there. You can go with a Taiwan, your choice. For a US made quality set, the price ain't bad. Like I said, between $280 to $345, depending on which website and how much you're willing to pay for shipping. But I think this set's gonna work. Again, I prefer to use my tools over your tools. But when you do use your tools, use them safely, use them properly. Take care, have a nice day, and have a safe one. See you next week for my next tool review.